So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Mini TV on Canada. So first thing you need to do is to go and search for Indian VPN. After searching for Indian VPN, just click the second link, which is Free Urban VPN. Just go for free download. After that, just go ahead and add this to Chrome. Add the extension. After that, just wait for it until it would be added to your Chrome. After that, you just go ahead and click on these extensions. Just go ahead and see the Irvin VPN proxy. Run it. Irvin VPN proxy. Just wait for it to start. I have to agree. Then just go ahead and search for India. After setting on India, you just go ahead and click here. And then you're connected to India on your VPN. So first thing you need to do is to just go ahead and search for Amazon Mini TV. Search for it. Amazon Mini TV. And then there you go. You would be able to watch Amazon Mini TV while you're in Canada just by using a VPN for India. And that's it.